are.
Today, we have come to the canal side as we have been asked to do a very special job.
Yes, you see, my cousin Latch has asked us to deliver his old canal boat to its new owner.
I want you to deliver my boat to its new owners. I want you to deliver it on time and to be careful with it. Not a scratch. Not a scratch. Patch.
Okay, Latch.
And here it is.
And it's called Foxy.
It's much bigger than I thought it would be, Pat.
Yeah, me too. How are we going to deliver it to her?
I have an idea.
What? Tickle? Why are you putting brown paper all over the boat to her?
Oh, it's simple, Patch.
Her?
I'm going to wrap it all in brown paper and leave it out for the postman to deliver.
Have you been at the Apple stores, Tickle? We don't have anything like enough brown paper to wrap up this old big boat to her. And anyway, how's the postman going to fit it in his sack?
I think you might be right, Patch. And anyway, the stamps would cost a fortune.
There's only one thing for it.
What's that then?
We'll have to sail this boat to its new owners ourselves, war.
Ooh, war. Why are we wearing Viking helmets, Patch?
Because we're on a longbow tour, just like the Vikings used to have. We can pretend we're out to conquer the world, war.
So where are we going to conquer first then, Viking Patch?
Market Harbour. It's just down the canal a bit there.
Oh, that's handy. So, have you ever sailed a canal boat before?
No, but it's not really that difficult, is it, to war?
Oh, easy.
The bad thing about canal boats is that they are so slow.
Oh, we've been going for hours now. Do you think we're nearly there yet?
I don't know, Tickle. I don't know where we're going.
Oh, I thought you had the address.
I thought you had the address.
Oh!
No, pass! Well, we'll have to go back now.
Well, how are we going to turn this thing around? The boat's too long and the canal's too narrow.
I don't know. I can't work out how to stop it. It just keeps going forward. I think the lever's jammed. We'll just have to keep going this way.
Where do you think this canal goes to?
So I don't know, but Latch said, don't be late and be careful with it.
No!
He's going to be furious.
Oh, there's only one thing for it, Patch! Scarper! Oh. Patch, I don't think we thought this through properly.
What is that then, Tickle?
Because now Latch's boat is sailing away on its own. Oh,